Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with SoFi, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with budgeting using SoFi, first, download the SoFi app from your app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary information, such as your email address, full name, and a secure password. After creating your account, log into the app. Navigate to the budgeting section, which can usually be found in the main menu. Start by linking your bank accounts and credit cards to SoFi. This allows the app to track your income and expenses automatically. Once linked, review your income sources to ensure all earnings are accounted for. Next, proceed to set up your expense categories. Typical categories include housing, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Enter your average monthly spending for each category based on your previous expenses. After setting your categories, you'll want to establish financial goals. Consider goals like saving for a vacation, paying down debt, or building an emergency fund. Set a realistic timeline for each goal to maintain motivation. As the month progresses, monitor your spending through the app. Review your progress weekly to see if you're on track with your budget and goals. Make adjustments to your spending as needed to stay within your limits. If you find yourself consistently exceeding certain categories, reevaluate and adjust your budget. Take advantage of SoFi's resources, including articles and tips on financial literacy. Finally, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as you stick to your budget. Using SoFi to budget can make managing your finances straightforward and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.